Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you can make money as an artist, how you can start selling your artworks, your paintings. This is I just disclaimer, this is just from my own experience what I'm about to share. I might be wrong, I might be right. Do your own research. I'm not stating or saying that what I'm saying or what I'm about to say is true or I hold the truth, all right? I just want to get that out of the way because, you know, do your own research. Just my personal experience and my personal opinion. So now, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So to sell paintings or just to make money as an artist, I think the first thing that you have to do is to ask yourself questions. And why that is if first you ask yourself a question, which is what I'm trying to sell. Now you probably already know, probably already familiar, probably maybe already know what you're doing. You're doing commissions, but now where I'm going with this question is that you have to ask yourself exactly to understand your audience, what they need, what's the competition, and now obviously it depends on what you're selling, because art or selling a broad, it's a really a broad term. Like, you can sell a lot of not only maybe commissions, maybe you're like a digital artist, but I think this can apply in many cases. If you understand your audience, your marketplace, what's working, what's not working. So basically, where I'm going with this, because in terms of selling yourself as an artist, what will come really handy, what will really benefit you is to understand your audience, to talk with artists, read a lot. So even what you're doing right now, I think is great that you're interested to learn, like you have an open minded. You are curious to understand what's the path or what things you can do and what you shouldn't do, what you're doing wrong. Now, I'm not saying to follow trends, like to change your complete style on who you are as an artist just for the sake of selling or making money as an artist. In fact, it's probably sometimes it's even harder to um, sell, like, or to, if you're not following trends and you're just doing what who you are, you're just sharing a part of yourself. When you're creating art, that's great because if you understand your audience, you understand yourself, then you're just gonna um you're only trying to target people that because you know yourself, and then you know your audience, you know what kind of people will like to buy your art. Then that's great, you're still gonna make money. But you have to, step number two is actually to build your community that's interested. Let's say this is the community of people that share the same interests, or they can connect with your art because you understand yourself, you understand your audience. This audience, these people will go here, and this community is built of social media. Start a YouTube channel, a Facebook, a TikTok, and start to promote yourself. Now, I'm not saying to just to what's the word I'm looking for. Like, I'm not trying. You shouldn't diversify. Like, you shouldn't just try to do a lot of stuff, like just share your art and so many platforms. Just stay with one platform, I think, or one or two. I think that's better. I think you should start with Instagram or TikTok, one of these, and YouTube, and then share your journey, share the story behind your work, share who you are, learn to communicate, learn to and to build this community. I think it's great to, while you're doing this, is to learn learn to communicate, learn to communicate, to sell yourself pretty much. uh talk with people that are in your niche, with people that have so-called like not power, but people that have like a high status and or they achieve what you like to achieve, like with art, with painters that have the same style, and maybe they will help you. I think, and don't try this. Don't come off as needy when you're trying when you're communicating, when we're approached this kind of people. Just try to help, just be charismatic, helpful, be funny. It's I think that helps a lot, and work on your on your community. And then number three, once you have a community, why posting valuable stuff? People are interested, what you're doing. Then you can start selling. But of course, that's gonna take a lot, a lot of work. It's not easy at all. I'm not saying it's easy. That's why I want um to state that it's gonna take a lot of time and it's not easy by any means. It takes a lot of work. There's a lot of work involved, and you're gonna have a hard time. There's times when you feel like you'll want to give up, you want to stop working for your dreams, but don't stop. Keep working, and then you'll get there. You'll achieve your dream. So I really hope you found my thoughts valuable, what I shared with you today. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.